Welcome back to the Wells Fargo Center. 76ers basketball. Sixers trail by 10 as we're ready to start the second quarter. Here's Pachulia. Carter, Heinrich, and out of bounds, over and back. Hawks schedule, they will host Oklahoma Monday night and Minnesota on Wednesday. Here's Brackens. Evan Turner. Got it. Evan Turner. There's Pachulia. Nice shot. Missed that one. Here come the Sixers. Trying to make it a 6-point game. Here's Lou Williams. He's fouled. The Sixers schedule Sunday, home against the Warriors in a 3-game road trip. After that one. Williams makes the first one. Sixers struggled early in the first quarter making shots. Trying to get it going here as Lou Williams makes 2, makes it a 6-point game. Carter. Carter gets the ball back. Carter. The pass to Pachulia. Missed it. Rebound, Elton Brand. Williams. Oh, it's taken away by McGrady, and here come the Hawks. On to Johnson, gets the pass to Pachulia. Got it knocked away. Here come the Sixers. Sixers have 4 blocks. Williams. Nice effort. Brackens. Yes! Sixers getting some nice looks here in the second quarter. There's Carter. Nice move. There's Carter. Spinning. Johnson. And he got it as a shot clock expired. 24-18. And a timeout call by the 76ers. Atlanta. Sixers led the league last season in rebounds a game. Substitution, a huge substitution for both teams. So it's seen a couple of lineup changes. Evan Turner. about a 3. 7 to shoot. Turner trying to find a good shot. He better hurry. He gets it off and he can't make it. And Hirons with the ball is Joe Johnson. Vince Carter. Horford. Got it. Sixers got to do a better job. They got it down to 4. Don't want to lose control of this game. Holiday. 4 to shoot. Lost it. And here goes Vince Carter all by himself. Slamming over brackets. Ten-point game for the Hawks. Turner on a brand is fouled. Both teams are perfect from the line. Brand makes both. Eight-point game. You got to stop Joe Johnson there. Didn't stop him that time. Joe Johnson. 5 of 11 from the field. He's got 11 points. Turner. Thaddeus Young, 8 to shoot. Holiday. Gotta get it off. He does and makes it as a shot clock expired. What a shot by Drew Holiday. And a timeout for Atlanta. We'll be back. Williams, Pearson, Brackens back in the game. Carter. Johnson. Three to shoot. That's a 3, and he buried it again. He waits till the shot clock expires it, and he just buries it. Unbelievable. 11-point lead for the Hawks. Johnson is deadly from the field. Holiday. Paul Pierce has to step up. He has not scored. Here's Holiday. Rebound Brand. Couldn't put back the easy shot. And no shots hurt when you're right near the basket. Here's T. Nice. Brackens with the rebound. Holiday to Brand gets 2. A 9-point game. Brackens the rebound. Here's Lou Williams. Williams lost the handle. And here comes the Hawks. Pachulia. 2:40 to go before halftime. Johnson to the shoot. Not again. Pachulia the rebound. He puts it in. Sixers have to get defensive rebounds or it's going to be a long night. Sixers down 11. Holiday to Williams. Williams. He's fouled. Going to the hoop.
First personal foul.
Sixers go to the line. Makes the first. (35-26) Atlanta. Here's a shot. Carter missed the Sixers with the rebound. And here's where the Sixers need to get going. Vucevic. Yes. His first field goal of the game. Carter. Horford double team. 10 to shoot. T to Smith. On to McGrady. Got it again as the shot clock is about to expire. And that is a three-point shot. Pierce, three, no. Paul Pierce have not scored. T to McGrady, missed it. Holiday to rebound. Williams to Pierce. Holiday lost it. Gives it back to Pierce. Pierce. And finally, Pierce gets on the scoreboard. Hawks will hold for the final shot. Carter to Smith. He'll put it up. And it falls off the top of the backboard. 4 seconds. Holiday from way out. And no good. And the first half comes to an end at the Wells Fargo Center. Hawks lead it by 10, 40-30.